According to latest media reports, India is likely to declare the French Rafale Marine as the winner of its 26 multi-role carrier-borne fighter tender during Prime Minister Modi's visit to France in mid-July. But the deal will not be signed this year, and the signing of the agreement is anticipated to take place in 2024 after the general elections. This decision aligns with the standard practice of deferring major defense contracts during the election period, mainly to avoid potential controversies and political implications. Russia has made a new proposal to supply additional MiG-29K fighter jets to meet the Indian Navy's requirements for 26 carrier-borne fighters, and this updated offer includes equipping the MiG-29K with new and improved RD-33 engines that provides a higher thrust of 91 kN compared to the current 88 kN, which also addresses concerns raised by the Indian Navy regarding the wearing of parts at high speeds. Russia has also offered an advanced active electronically scanned array radar system for the MiG-29K that will substantially increase the detection range and enhance maritime operational capabilities. The government of Sri Lanka is in discussions with India to establish a small arms ammunition manufacturing plant in Sri Lanka in 2024, and several delegations have visited both countries to grasp the industrial process and ground situation. The Sri Lankan forces primarily use 7.62mm ammunition for rifles and 9mm for pistols, and they import around 50 million rounds annually, and the aim is to manufacture ammunition requirement domestically. Astra Microwave had won the contract to develop active protection system from DRDO's Electronics and Radar Development Establishment, and the company has said that the active protection system is in development stage, and it will be developed by end of this financial year and will be handed over to the DRDO. The company also said that the active protection system might take another 1.5-year time frame to participate in no-cost, no-commitment trials along with the DRDO technology. Top executives of Brazil's Embraer have said that the company is in talks with Tata and Mahindra Group for an aircraft manufacturing partnership, and the company hopes to finalize its Indian partner for defense aircraft manufacturing by the end of 2023. They also said that the Indian Air Force is scouting for 80 medium transport aircraft, and Embraer has the intention to go very aggressive in this kind of initiative to establish a final assembly line of C-390 aircraft in India with indigenous systems. The Chinese Air Force has deployed 3 WZ-7 high-altitude long-endurance UAVs at the Nangchi Mainling Airport, that is roughly 15 kilometers from Arunachal Pradesh. The WZ-7 has a cruise speed of 750 kilometers per hour, a range of 7,000 kilometers, and an endurance of 10 hours, that will significantly boost intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance capability along the northeastern Indian border. The Indian Ministry of Defence is all set to approve plans for the production of an electro-optical satellite weighing 200 kilograms that will serve as a space-based intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance asset, providing backup support in case primary military satellites become disabled. Under the Project Veda, the DRDO is developing a road mobile launch platform to deploy defense satellites into lower orbits for the Indian Armed Forces.
Omar dropped it.